Hello everyone, welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we're throwing a beautiful barbecue because we're going to make some delicious grilled chicken margaritas. So obviously invite your family, invite your neighbors, grab your actual margarita cocktails, and let's get cooking. We are first starting this recipe by making the marinade. So in a bowl we whisk together the olive oil, some minced garlic cloves, Italian seasoning, salt, crushed red pepper, and black pepper. Now we're going to prepare the chicken breasts, and trust me, this is the fun part, because using a meat mallet or tenderizer, we're going to pound the chicken breasts, not too hard, not too soft, but until it achieves that even thickness that we want. Add the pounded chicken to the marinade and toss until evenly coated. Refrigerate the chicken for at least 30 minutes and let it sit there to absorb all those beautiful flavors that we want. Now let's prepare the tomato topping. So in a small bowl, combine the cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, finely chopped red onion, garlic cloves, salt and pepper, and let's set it aside so we can preheat our grill to a medium-high heat. Once the grill is ready, let's remove the chicken from the marinade and grill on each side for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Then we're going to top the chicken breast with a slice of mozzarella cheese. Usually takes about 1 minute so it's fully melted into our chicken breast. Now we're going to remove the chicken from the grill and top with the pesto and the reserved tomato topping. Drizzle the balsamic glaze over the tomato topping and garnish with fresh parsley. Now that we have made this beautiful barbecue dish, we're going to serve it alongside some pasta or salad, and feel free to enjoy it. Check our description box below or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes for more food just like this. And don't forget to like the video if you found this recipe useful, and click that subscribe button for more video recipes here at Cozymeal Studios. Also, I'm dying to know what is the type of music that you enjoy listening to when you throw down a barbecue, so please leave those answers down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in the next recipe.